kabi-kabilang scam at panloloko online, edukasyon daw ang susi para maprotektahan ang ating mga pinagpaguran. Kaya naman mismong Bangko Sentral na ang nagsulong ng iba't ibang initiative para matiyak na protektado at mapapalago ang hard-earned money. Nitong Martes, naglunsad ang BSP ng 3 manual na layong ituro sa ilang government employee ang tamang paraan ng pag-iipon, pamumuhunan at pagmamanage ng pera. Mahigit 30,000 bombero, 2 milyong civil servants at 200,000 police personnel ang inisyal na makikinabang sa proyekto ng BSP.
With this financial education module, we will surely empower our personnel to be more financially literate as our comrades in the field focus on saving lives and properties. We are in charge of providing knowledge in saving and investing properties.
This module represents a powerful resource which helps our personnel develop the skills to manage personal finances responsibly, ultimately focus on duty for serving and protecting.
At the heart of this work is empowerment. When people understand how to manage their finances, they gain control over their future. They can make smart decisions that improve their lives and the lives of their families. Financial education helps people do more than just get by.
May hiwalay na pakikipagtulungan din ang BSP sa Education Department para naman maisama sa K-12 curriculum ang financial education.
The President himself has given this marching order. Education investments should translate to economic growth. The BSP is one with us in this effort.
Dagdag ng BSP, hindi lang mga estudyante ang target nilang tulungan sa financial literacy courses na ito, kundi pati na rin mga magulang o guardian ng mga bata. Para sa Agenda, Sujin Kim, BNC.